Ollie, what are you having?
Yellow.
Marshmallows. Are you having hot chocolate? Is that hot chocolate?
Puppy.
Is it yummy? Where did we go?
Some more.
What? We see llamas? Yeah. And what did we cut down? A tree. A Christmas tree, that's right.
Oh.
And we brought it home. That's right. Is it snowing out? Yeah. Finally got some snow.